Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to fill Portugal visa application form. If you want to fill this visa application form in this guide, go to Google, search for VFS Global. From this website, choose location India and Portugal. From here, all you have to do in this section, click apply now. You have this book appointment, and all you have to do, click start now. When you click start now, you have this option identity visa type, choose view more, and then from here click visa type, this section visa type. You will redirect it to this page for the visa type. Choose your visa type. You have tourist, you have short-term visa, choose tourist in this case, and then you have this option. From here click download form. After that, choose the visa form, this option. You will redirect it to this form. As you can see here, friends, you can start use or editing this form. As you can see here, friends, you have write your surname in this form, write your birthday, your first name, your place of birthday, countries, your nationality here, choose your six mile, your civil stations, state, and then write your nationality, identity number, fill all this form, order or name, and then from type of travel, choose your document, passport or official passport or special passport, date of issues, this is number of travel, surname, your family name, your given name, fill all family relationships, you have this one, application home address, choose your address and phone number, all the details you should be filled, name, address of companies or arrival in this one area. Complete all this and then you can click submit signature here, place of date, fill all this form and apply, log in your accounts. From here, go to home, and then when you log in, upload this document, this form on this website. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.